Streamplify sent me their microphone to test out, and it's a super big box. I don't think it's just a microphone because it can't be that big, so I think it might include a microphone arm. Let's open it up. Okay, what do I see? The first thing I see is this manual. Ooh, it comes with a pop filter. This makes sure that that P sounds pop, 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 pop don't come in so harshly. So definitely a nice addition. A shock mount. These have rubber bands, and that means that the microphone isn't attached to the arm itself. I mean, it is, but it isn't. Which means that if you tap a table or something like that, the sounds don't vibrate through because this thing will stop it from vibrating through the microphone. Then here we have a USB to USB-C, which I think is to attach the microphone. Here we have a USB-C to USB-C, if you want to put it in your USB-C slot in your computer instead. We got 3 cable management tools here. You can wrap these around your cables. And then, you know, they look tidier. This is the actual microphone. It has a button here, which you can also turn, a volume button here, and a headphone jack entry point. There is USB-C connector on the bottom here, and this is a screw for mounting it in something like an arm or a shock mount. See, there's a second layer. There's a second layer. Whoop. What's this? This is part of a microphone arm. What you do is you unscrew this, you attach this to a table, like here for example, and then you can put an arm in here. Which else included. So now, whoop, push this in here. Oh, we can screw this a little bit. And now we can attach our microphone here. I know I put it way too close to me, don't do this, but... So let's get rid of the box. Attach the shock mount to the arm. Get the shock mount around the microphone. And we can push it in here. And then you just attach USB on the back and into your PC. We can talk in the side of the microphone where we attach the pop filter, which is the side of the knobs. So let's actually go to the PC and take a listen. Listen how this microphone sounds, because you know, we can test it out here in the living room because we don't have a PC. Okay, so this is the Streamplify microphone. This is how it sounds like. I can't hear it right now, so you tell me how it sounds like. But it has some cool RGB lights. So this is a cardioid pattern, so that means that you need to talk in the side where the pop filter is aiming at, which makes sense because that's where the pop filter is for, but also where all the knobs are at. So if you have it on an arm, make sure that this side is at least aiming at you. It doesn't matter if you have it like this or sideways or upside down, as long as this part is aiming at you. I recommend not holding it like I do right now. I'm not a singer, you know. But yeah, just put it on an arm or put it on a tripod. There's an arm included, so... But I just wanted to do some kind of like entertaining version where I talk to a mic when I'm holding it. I don't know why.